Hi guys, my name is Georgia. This is my co-host, Chase. General, you have not been replaced. This is the sloped tankless water heater pan. This pan is 20 inches by 13 inches, which will cover the footprint of your tankless water heater and the piping below. This pan is galvanized, just like our standard water heater pan. But the cool thing about this one is it's sloped to allow for easy water evacuation towards the drain. And we're actually going to install one right now to see this slope in action. Let's put it up. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.